Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've made an update, so I just thought I'd share with you how things have been going so far. Just to recap, I started the software engineering course with TripleTen back in November of 2023. I then finished and graduated in August of this year and went straight into career acceleration. So that is what I'd love to share a little bit more about, and also how the job search is going. So first I'll just sort of explain a little bit more about what career acceleration is and how beneficial that has been for me.
So here is the career acceleration kickoff page, and this gives you just a bit of an overview of what their requirements are and a link to their guidelines and checklist, which is required for entering career acceleration. You can join career acceleration once you have finished your final project. There are certain criteria for being eligible for career acceleration, and also, if you were interested in any of the TripleTen courses, they have an amazing money back guarantee. So if once you've done career acceleration and you spend 6 months trying to look for a job and have been unsuccessful within that time frame, you are eligible to get back your tuition. So I think it's great. TripleTen really just want to help you get a job, and obviously that's what you've is usually what your end goal is for completing the bootcamp. So highly recommend looking into that. So I'll show you the checklist. So this is the main checklist that you need to do and complete and work through. So you do need to spend quite a bit of time on this, but it is really worthwhile. You kind of get to really understand what it is you're about. You basically are marketing yourself amongst hundreds and hundreds of other applicants. So this is a really, really great exercise to go through anyway, just to see what it is that you're actually really looking for as well. These checklists sort of explain they give you guidelines on what you should and recommendations on what you should put together and prepare for your resume, and as well as guidance on your LinkedIn profile and GitHub as well, and what you should do to try and brush that up to make sure that it's all nice and presentable. So this has been really, really useful. I actually spent they recommend roughly 10 hours a week to do this. So you can spend a couple of hours each day or an hour each day, or just block off a whole day to work on this. They provide templates and as well for your resume and your cover letter, and then a career coach will be assigned to you to also have meetings with you and go through your job search materials. The coaching sessions have been amazing. You will have an onboarding, then you'll have a job search strategy meeting, and then you'll get to practice as well. Practice if you did the software engineering course, I think one of the other courses you will also do a technical interview practice, which was really, really useful for me, and then a network and applications meeting, which they will guide you through the job search process and give you some tips and hints and things that will really help you kind of like accelerate your job search. Then after you've done that, your official job search will start, and that is when the money back guarantee sort of period begins. So you and your coach will set some goals on what your sort of weekly tasks will look like, and it might be something like apply to 20 jobs or apply to 50. I don't know. It will just sort of depend on your situation. And Also, a great way to sort of expand your job search is through LinkedIn. So building the connections, building your network, and sort of meeting other students or other hiring managers or recruiters, and trying to find out, whether the company is perhaps a good fit for you and for what you're looking for and for what they're looking for. This is a program or application called Apprentice, and this is a job tracking or job search tool that you will get access to when you join Career Acceleration. So you will be assigned a coach, as mentioned, and you can keep track of your sessions here. And there are notes as well for what it is that you discussed with your coach, so you can keep track of what it is that you need to do. You can upload your materials here and give some feedback and receive feedback on your resume, also your LinkedIn. And what's really handy for me is the job tracking tools. So it can get pretty hectic when you've started applying for, if you're applying for 20 jobs a week. So this is a great way to make sure you're not sort of duplicating applications, which you mostly want to really be able to do anyway, but it's still a good tool to have. So far I've spent, I think about 3 weeks since I officially started the job search, and it's interesting. Like, it's been up and down. There are days where you definitely feel like you're fully underqualified or fully not, good enough for all these amazing roles that are out there. But at the same time, it's a really good learning experience anyway. Also handling many rejections as well. I've been getting a lot of those recently. And it's fine. It's part of the process, and I think the main thing is just to keep going. The coach is really, really great at helping you craft your resume and giving you some tips on the job searching process. So that is always really, really useful, and I really appreciated my coach. She is amazing. And yeah, so far I have had one recruiter screen, and I'm very fortunate that I am going to be having my first interview with the hiring manager. So I'm really excited. I think I honestly didn't expect to hear back from anyone this soon after I started job searching. So I'm so grateful. And I really have to thank my coach. She just was great. I can't thank her enough. I know it's just an interview, but it was just a bit of a surprise that I heard back from some human this soon. So yeah, if you're ever thinking about joining Career Acceleration, you should definitely look into it. If you're thinking about doing a course with TripleTen, definitely take advantage of the Career Acceleration program. And I hope this has been helpful, and happy to answer any questions if you have any. So thank you.